Welcome back. Continuing the news. Coping with catastrophe, the importance of mental health support in disaster relief. Shamela Pullen speaks to a psychiatrist on the issue in this evening's Health Report.
Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says natural disasters can lead to increased rates of anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder.
The level of chemicals anxiety during the period that the hurricane is passing is significant, and it changes the brain. And some people will have this flashbacks. Some people will have nightmares. Some people can't sleep, and their eating habits will change. Children will become more clinging, because very important for us to understand that children might not have the comprehension of what is going on. So it's going to be very important that we give attention to them.
The elderly too are vulnerable to mental health challenges.
They might not be able to do some of the things like boarding up the house, etc., and making them secure. And some of them might be living alone. And their security level is increased. Also, they might have experienced many traumatic events in their life, have lost some of their loved ones, have experienced, been traumatized before by hurricane.
The psychiatrist explained how persons can protect their mental health before, during, and after a natural disaster.
One of the best ways of reducing stress is talking about the stressors, making plans for the future problem, making sure that if the things that happened to you and to your surroundings during Hurricane Beryl, you will make plans so that these things are minimized. You might not be able to totally eradicate them, but minimize it. Also make a plan that you stay healthy. Make plans for your exercise routine, for your taking medication, and for your getting support.
If feelings of anxiety, depression, and trauma continue, seek help from a mental health expert. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.